Earlier, we were looking at the screen and you were telling me the letters you saw. This time we're going to do the same thing, but in a different way. We're going to use this headband, and when you move your head, it causes the computer and the screen to make the letters appear. We'll practice it, and you'll get to know how to do it. Do you mind if I put this on your head right now?
Not at all.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to tighten it. Is that too tight?
No.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to shake your head as if you were saying no. Not too fast. A little more. A little more. A little more. That's good. Let's get started. Once you see the letter, I want you to stop shaking and then tell me the letter that you saw.
Okay.
All right? It's a little odd, but try it. Okay.
O.
Okay.
T.
Okay.
H.
Good job.
R.
Okay.
V.
Okay.
O.
Okay.